Smartwatch accessories you need in 2025. First, invest in extra bands, silicone, leather, metal, so you can switch styles or use one that breathes better when sweating. Second, a rug screen protector helps avoid scratches, especially if you hike or bike off road. And next, get a multi device charging dock or wireless stand so you can charge your watch, phone, and AirPods in one place. Also, useful a portable power bank with watch capable or magnet charger for long trips. Finally, for outdoor use, a protective case or bumper adds water shock resistance, and a spare weather sealed charger keeps you prepared when rain or mud mess with your regular one. So that's it.